a host has to be 100% all the time. Hindi kahit may problema ka,
Yep.
kahit may sakit
Yun
ka.
nga, yun, oh.
Ilang beses na ako nag-host na nilalagnat.
Oo.
Ilang beses na ako nag-host na may problema.
Imumulong.
Bumulong. Nasa kanan yun eh. Nasa kanan yung bumulong. Ano ba yung anghel ba yun o demonyo?
Siya lang makapagsabi.
Okay.
So yun, so kailangan mo mag-power through.
Yeah.
Hindi ka pwedeng magpatalo doon kasi makikita ng mga bisita yon. So yan, so so to be a wedding host, you have to keep in mind what you're hosting. It's an event attended by family, relatives, closest friends. You can't mess it up because it's not going to happen again. Yun. Those are just some of the basics that a person needs para makapag-host ng weddings.